We're proud to present our new model, the Mark Ryden Pebble Backpack. There has a dedicated laptop compartment, fit 15.6-inch laptop. The side of the bag, we added an external USB port, allowing you to stay charged while on the go. The Mark Ryden Pebble has a beautiful appearance, elegant and stunning, water-resistant material, keeping your stuff protected from the elements. This great-looking bag is constructed out of an extremely durable material with YKK zipper. It has a bright interior for easy visibility and internal pockets to keep things like your iPad and notebook organized. Water-repellent construction and expansion capabilities make it ideal for daily use.